Sexual attraction is one of the most important elements that keeps the fire of relationships alive, strengthens the bonds and deepens the bond between you and your partner. However, it is possible to increase this attraction and make your relationship more passionate by knowing the right techniques. The ancient wisdom of Stoic philosophy can guide you in this process. In this video, you will learn those secrets and touches that will blow your partner's mind. Now, it's time to take your relationship to a whole new level. In this video, you will discover the secrets that will blow your partner's mind and take your sexual attraction to the top. These tips from the depths of Stoic philosophy will add passion and excitement to your relationship. You will learn every detail, step by step, from inner peace to emotional intelligence, from self-confidence to effective communication. Now, get ready to put this secret information into practice and take your relationship to a whole new level. Part 1. Increase your sexuality with inner peace. Inner peace is a fundamental concept at the center of Stoic philosophy and the first step to increasing your sexual attraction. Although many people think that sexual attraction is limited to appearance, in reality, inner peace greatly affects the energy you radiate to your surroundings, which forms the cornerstone of your sexual attraction. So, what is inner peace and how does it increase your sexual attraction? Inner peace is the ability of a person to balance their own emotional and mental state. The Stoics emphasize the importance of creating an inner calmness despite all the chaos the outside world brings. This peace protects you from all the negativity around you and increases your sexual attraction. Because a person's peaceful and balanced nature naturally radiates confidence to their surroundings. People subconsciously seek a safe and peaceful environment. When you achieve your own inner peace, you reflect this confidence to those around you and attract their attention. Part 2. The importance of self-confidence in sexuality. Self-confidence is an essential element of sexual attraction. A person's self-confidence affects not only their own stance, but also the energy they radiate to their surroundings. So, how does self-confidence increase sexual attraction and how can Stoic philosophy help you in this regard? A self-confident individual radiates a natural attraction to his/her surroundings. This attraction goes beyond physical appearance and is directly related to the person's self-belief, stance and behavior. A self-confident person acts more comfortably and confidently in social environments, which attracts the attention of the people around them. People are more attracted to individuals who are confident and know what they want. Stoic philosophy is an excellent guide to strengthening the foundations of self-confidence. The Stoics' principle of a stand upright and look as you are can guide you in this regard. According to this principle, it is important for a person to know their own value and potential and to reflect this to the outside world. Being self-confident begins with a person recognizing and accepting their own values and abilities. One of the Stoic practices, the negative visualization technique, is an effective method that you can use to increase self-confidence. This technique allows you to visualize negative situations in your mind and determine in advance how you will react to these situations. Part 3. Discover your sexual attraction with emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a critical role in increasing your sexual attraction. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, understand the emotions of others, and channel those emotions in a positive way. So how does emotional intelligence increase your sexual attraction, and how can Stoic philosophy help you do this? Emotional intelligence is one of the key elements that increase success in sexual attraction in social relationships. An emotionally intelligent person understands their partner's emotional needs and responds to them appropriately. This empathy and understanding makes the relationship deeper and more meaningful. The Stoic philosophies of compassion and understanding of Seneca teachings guide you in developing emotional intelligence. This teaching emphasizes the ability to understand the emotional states of others and respond appropriately to them. Part 4. Increase sexual attraction with effective communication. Effective communication plays a critical role in increasing your sexual attraction. Communication is not limited to just words. Body language, tone, and emotional expressions are also a part of communication. Stoic philosophy can help you develop effective communication skills. So how does effective communication increase your sexual attractiveness? Effective communication increases mutual understanding and empathy. A good communicator understands the emotional needs of their partner and responds to them appropriately. This increases the depth of the relationship and sexual attraction. The Stoic philosophy's active listening and thoughtful speaking teachings guide you in this regard. Active listening is the art of truly understanding the other person and showing that you care about them. The Stoic teachings of thoughtful speaking emphasize choosing your words carefully and consciously. This teaching increases accuracy and sincerity in communication. Correct and thoughtful speech allows you to establish a deeper bond with your partner. Honesty and openness in communication are important factors that increase your sexual attraction. When you communicate openly and honestly with your partner, the bond between you becomes stronger and sexual attraction increases. Body language and eye contact are also of great importance in effective communication. The Stoic philosophy's correct posture and eye contact principles guide you in this regard. Standing upright reflects self-confidence and determination, while making eye contact shows your interest and attention to the other person. These are important elements that increase your sexual attraction. Eye contact strengthens your bond with your partner and makes them feel more special. Another way to increase effective communication is to choose the right words. Speaking loving, understanding, and supportive words to your partner increases the depth of your relationship. Stoic philosophy helps us understand the power of words. Every word you say has an impact, and this impact directly affects your bond with your partner. As a result, effective communication greatly increases your sexual attraction. Stoic philosophy gives you powerful tools to improve your effective communication skills. By improving your communication skills, you not only deepen your sexual attraction, but also all of your relationships. In the next section, we will explore the role of mental toughness in sexuality and how it can be developed with Stoic practices. Part 5. Reach your peak sexuality with mental toughness. Mental toughness is a critical factor in increasing your sexual attraction. Mental toughness is the ability to stay strong in the face of adversity, cope with stress, and remain emotionally balanced. Stoic philosophy offers powerful tools for increasing mental toughness. So how does mental toughness increase your sexual attractiveness? A person with mental toughness can stand firm in the face of challenges and remain calm even in stressful situations. This provides a great advantage in social environments and relationships. Individuals who are confident and calm instill confidence in those around them, which increases sexual attractiveness. The Stoic philosophy's a calm and steadfast stance of Epictetus teaching guides you on this subject. You can use one of the Stoic practices, the premeditatio malorum technique, to increase mental toughness. This technique allows you to visualize negative situations in your mind and determine in advance how you will react to them. In this way, you will be more prepared and calm when you encounter unexpected situations. Mental toughness plays an important role in increasing sexual attractiveness because you maintain a reliable and determined stance even in stressful and difficult situations. The Stoics' thoughtful breathing technique is an effective method for increasing mental toughness. This technique allows you to calm your mind by taking deep and controlled breaths. Mentally tough individuals remain emotionally balanced, which increases sexual attraction. Controlled breathing helps you stay calm in stressful situations and express yourself better. Another way to increase mental toughness is to practice proactive thinking. This practice involves anticipating possible future challenges and preparing for them. Stoic philosophy argues that this type of preparation is one of the most effective ways to increase mental toughness. In this way, you will be more powerful and confident in both yourself and your partner. As a result, mental toughness plays a critical role in increasing your sexual attraction. Stoic philosophy offers you powerful tools to develop this toughness. As a mentally strong and determined individual, you will be more attractive in social and emotional environments. By increasing mental toughness, you can further strengthen the attraction in your relationship with your partner. Chapter 6: Physical Health and Sex, Stoic Methods. Physical health is one of the most basic elements in increasing your sexual attractiveness. A healthy body both increases your self-confidence and presents a more attractive image to those around you. Stoic philosophy cares about physical health and offers various practices that will guide you in this regard. So, how does physical health increase your sexual attractiveness, and how can Stoic methods help you in this regard? Physical health is a factor that increases your overall quality of life and directly affects your sexual attractiveness. A healthy body allows for an energetic and dynamic lifestyle. This energy and dynamism allows you to be more active and attractive in social environments. A healthy body also increases your self-confidence. Self-confident individuals exhibit a more comfortable and impressive stance in social interactions. This is an important element that increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy suggests various methods for maintaining and improving your physical health. One of these is regular exercise. The Stoics emphasize the importance of physical activity for the body to remain healthy and strong. Regular exercise improves not only your physical health but also your mental health. Exercise reduces stress, increases the secretion of endorphins, and makes you feel happier and more balanced in general. This increases your sexual attractiveness because happy and balanced individuals are found more attractive by the people around them. Another important way to maintain physical health is to have a balanced and healthy diet. Stoic philosophy advises avoiding extremes and living a balanced life. This also applies to your eating habits. A balanced diet ensures that your body gets all the nutrients it needs and supports your overall health. Healthy nutrition increases your energy, beautifies your skin, and makes you feel better. All of these are factors that increase your sexual attractiveness. Another important advice from the Stoics is the importance of getting enough sleep. Adequate and quality sleep is vital for maintaining your physical health. Sleep is necessary for the renewal and rest of your body and mind. A good sleep routine increases your energy level, reduces your stress level, and allows you to live a healthier and more balanced life in general. This increases your sexual attractiveness because a rested and energetic body is found more attractive by the people around it. As a result, physical health greatly increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy offers you powerful tools to maintain and improve your physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep are key ways to maintain your physical health and increase your sexual attractiveness. A healthy body allows you to have a confident and attractive presence. Maintain your physical health and maximize your sexual attractiveness with Stoic practices. In this video, you discovered ways to increase your sexual attractiveness and blow your partner's mind with the guidance of Stoic philosophy. Inner peace, self-confidence, emotional intelligence, effective communication, mental stamina, and physical health are the keys to increasing your sexual attractiveness. By applying these techniques to your life, you can take your relationship with your partner to a more passionate and exciting level. If you liked this video and want to learn more about increasing your sexual attractiveness, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.